Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by x. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. So this is about linear differential equations. So in this situation, we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu x equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative 1 over x next to y. This is for integrating factor. And we have negative f and s. We know that negative will go inside about natural law in here. And we can put like this. And we can put like this if we simplify it. And that is about 1 over s. Next, we need to multiply both sides by 1 over s. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have y over s. This one, we have s, and I will put about c. Next, we multiply both sides by s. Next, when we go back in here, we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 3. So we put number 3 gone here, number 1 gone here, and here. And now we can find the value of c. That's about number 3 minus number 1 form 1 square in here. And we have number 2. So we put number 2 gone here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.